What you got there, bud? Yep. You got some applesauce with corn in it? Mmm.
Okay, show Daddy that you can feed yourself all by yourself. Show him. Put your spoon in. Don't feed yourself. Good job. Don't mind me, I'm okay. Thank you. No, feed you. You eat it. You eat it. Good job.
Yay, bud. What is that?
Good job, Parker Lewis. Oh, I'm just so proud of him. There's one proud mama. Look at that.
And he mixed his corn into his applesauce all by himself.
Yes.
Just like that.
Now he can eat his yogurt and applesauce without any help from mom.
Good job, bud. Give him a clap.
Yeah, you totally know you're doing a good job.
Parker Lewis. Good job, bud.